Titchfield High School is the 2025 winner of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Now, the Portland-based school stormed to a dazzling victory in the grand finale, defeating a formidable Jamaica college team in a nail-biting contest on Tuesday night. Rashida Walker has a story.
The pot cover celebration, loud and raw, is more than just noise. It's the sound of a victory. In a thrilling display of knowledge, speed and teamwork, Titchfield High School emerged victorious in the highly anticipated final of TVJ's School Challenge Quiz 2025. The Portland-based school finished with 26 points to Jamaica College's 23 points in a nail-biting finale.
They had us biting our nails and they had us shaking our legs, but at the end of the day, we won and we were victorious. So let's hear. You know that we would have been placed third, and at that point in time, we were satisfied with where we were at. But then the Lord was not sleeping. He knew that we needed to be on top.
This is the second triumph for Titchfield High School in the 55-year history of the competition, having claimed its first title in 2016. A series of celebrations are being organized both on campus and across the wider Portland community. Rashida Walker for TVJ News.